In this time of social distancing, communication has become even more challenging, more so in people with hearing loss. The new normal has made them feel even more isolated. In Manila Hearing Aid, we believe that the new normal doesn't mean accepting hardship as a way of life. We adapt to our customers' changing needs by reshaping the delivery of hearing care. We give our patients the freedom to choose the safest and most convenient access to hearing care solution, because changing times requires changes in the delivery of hearing care. From online, home-based, to in-clinic. For online and contact-free hearing care, online hearing screening, online teleconsultation, online hearing aid fitting, online payment and delivery, to online programming and assistance on the proper use of your hearing aid. For home-based hearing care, call our hotline number to schedule your appointment. Fill up the pre-assessment form. Then wait for our hearing care specialist to visit you right at the comfort of your home. For in-clinic hearing care, book your appointment online. Accomplish and submit the health declaration form. Wait for the confirmation email. Be in the clinic 15 minutes before you're scheduled, and our clinic staff will guide you through our new clinic health and safety guidelines. On top of this, our service extends even after you buy your hearing aid from us. We provide you with post-care services, from regular cleaning of hearing aids, readjustments, calibrations, and technical repairs. And to ensure you stay connected, we also can deliver your hearing aid battery. Call our hotline or connect through Lazada. For over 40 years, and with our clinics nationwide, Manila Hearing Aid remains to be the largest and most trusted hearing care provider, and we are here to help you in these crucial times. Manila Hearing Aid. Hear life's special moments.